Private Company working as an intern. Today I will be talking about reference under CPC, which is given under section 113 of the code. Under the provision of section 113, a lower or subordinate court can reach out to the higher court for doubt in order to avoid misinterpretation of the law, which is known as the reference. Parties through an application can move the reference to the high court. Lower court can apply the provision of reference suo motu in the case of any doubt with respect to any legal provision. The lower court is not bound to refer to the high court other than in case of validity of legal provision. The subordinate court can use its right of reference in the following situations. In case of any question arising in the court at the time of entertaining the suit with respect to its validity regarding act, rules, order or ordinance, where the court has the opinion or feels that the provision of law is invalid or not the power of the court, which is ultra vires. The High Court or Supreme Court must have not made such question on the provision of law invalid. The court feels that it is important to take the reference of High Court for ascertaining the validity of the provisions mentioned in the law before disposal of any case. There can be two doubts which need to be referred under this section. In case the doubt has arisen with respect to any act or law, it is mandatory for lower court to take the reference or opinion from the High Court. However, in case of doubt that has come up during the proceedings of the court, it is not mandatory for the lower court to take the opinion of High Court. The lower court can suo motu refer it to the High Court. The object behind this provision is to empower the subordinate court to obtain the opinion of the High Court in non-appealable cases when there is a question of law, as held in Diwali Bai versus Sadash Sivas. The reference must be made before passing of the judgment of the case. Now, conditions for seeking reference. Order 46 of CPC provides for the same. The suit or appeal must be pending before the court while making a reference, and no further appeal from the order of such suit or decree is lying before the court. The question of validity of provision of law must have arisen during the pendency of the suit. When such doubt regarding the validity of provision has arisen, the court must have the power to entertain such suit. There are two clauses of question of law. First is related to act, ordinance and regulations, and second is any other questions. Now, certain conditions. In order to dispose the case, the decision of question is necessary. There is no determination that such act is ultra vires either by the Supreme Court or the High Court to which the court is subordinate to. Can apply for reference. The Court of Civil Judicature can refer the case to the High Court either on application made by the party or suo motu, which was held in Ramakant Bindal versus State of UP. Of reference as held in L.S. Shelkar versus D.L. Agarwal was that the decree is confirmed if the High Court answered the question in favor of the plaintiff. If the answer of the High Court is against him, the suit is held to be dismissed.